Hello friends, so happy to hear that All India Council of Technical Education AICTE has decided to focus on the languages in India in technical and scientific education as well. As you would have read in the news, we have a project Vani, which is vibrant advocacy and advancement and nurturing of Indian languages, and this will help promote more and more linguistic literacy in mother tongue in various 12 languages of India for the subjects of science and technology, all engineerings and various other technical aspects. As was also mentioned in Mann Ki Baat by PM Shri Narendra Bhai Modi, the focus on not only literature in regional languages but science and technology in regional languages is a requirement, a need of the day, and we must work on this. Myself, Dr. C.S. Butch, am happy to share with you all that we with A Designs have been working on the development of English to Gujarati dictionary from Gujarat by Gujaratis for 7 years, and we have done translation and have published the dictionaries for medical subjects like allopathy, homeopathy, physics, and also 12 engineering specialties. And we are so happy to inform that Gujarat is the first state in the country and the world where we have been given world records India for the 15 dictionaries translated to Gujarati of technical subjects which have won a world record. So we very much appreciate this Vani initiative of AICTE.